Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to go ahead and look at how you can make some extra money from doing things that you're already doing now, and I'll just show you how you can make money doing so. It's really simple, it's really easy, and like most things we go ahead and share on this channel, it's free to get started. Now before we jump into the video, if this is the first time you're on the channel, hello and welcome. My name is Mark. On the screen right now we're looking at one of my blogs, and I blog and I upload videos. I try and upload videos between 3 and 5 times a week about making money online and working from home. So if you subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, you'll always be notified whenever I upload a video. So when it comes to making money online, there's just so many different ways you can do that, and I try and share predominantly ways to make money online and from home, which is free. So as you can see here on the screen, this is the blog. And there's just so many different articles on here about how you can make money online working from home, and there's lots on the YouTube channel as well. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you some really simple ways to make money by doing things you're already doing. So I'll jump over here really quickly. So I'm going to show you different apps and websites that you can go ahead and join, and they're all free to do. Now you're going to start earning money for things like walking, driving the car, shopping, surfing the internet, and a couple of other different options for you. Now most of the things I'm going to go ahead and share on this video, they're available worldwide, and the payouts, there's many different payouts. You get paid in cash, you get paid in PayPal, you can get paid in Amazon vouchers, you can get paid via bank transfer. So there's a lot of different options throughout this video, and I'll save the best till last as usual for you, so make sure you keep an eye on the last one I'm going to share in this video for you. So let's go ahead and have a look at how we can make money by doing things that you already do. So we'll jump over here. So the first thing we're going to go ahead and have a look at is really simple, and I just don't understand why everyone doesn't do this, because it's basically free money. So this here is a website called Top Cashback. Now there's other websites available. If you're in the US, you can go ahead and have a look at Ebates. And if you're in other countries, there's another app called iBotter. Now don't worry if I'm going through this a little bit too quick for you and you miss some of the websites I'm mentioning. I'm going to drop a link over to this blog article I did a couple of days ago actually. And this has got, basically it's got different money apps in here and websites. So the blog article is called 15 of the best money saving apps, but the apps and the websites I'm going to share with you in this video, they're also included in here. They're a little bit further along down near the bottom, but let me go down here and find them for you. Yeah, they're down here towards the end of the article. These are the money making apps. So let's just go back over to the first website. So this is the first website here, and it's called Top Cashback. Now basically this is just a very simple cashback site, and if you don't know what this means, you can join sites like Top Cashback, and then what happens is all of the companies who are on Top Cashback, all of these different ones down here, every time you go ahead and purchase something via Top Cashback, these companies on here will pay Top Cashback a fee, an affiliate fee, and then they simply share that fee with yourself. So there's hundreds and hundreds of different companies on here, and you can earn cash back on Amazon, you can earn it on eBay. There's just so many different sites you can earn cash back, and all it takes on your behalf is, let's say for argument's sake you was looking at buying a new phone perhaps, instead of going direct to Carphone Warehouse, you would come to this website and you would click on here and it would take you through to their website, and then it has an affiliate tracking code, and that's it. It takes about a minute longer than what you would normally do instead of going direct to the website. Now you've got all of these different categories on here. As you can see, you've got fashion, electricals. I'm not going to go through them all, but there's all these different ones on here. And then there's also here free cashback. So where you can earn free cashback by doing some really simple things on here. They've got competitions, they've got free SIM cards, and they've got trials. Then they've also got no purchase offers. Now I've used Top Cashback for a number of years because, like I say, it takes a minute, and I'm going to be purchasing things anyway, so I might as well just go via Top Cashback. So let me quickly show you my account. So here's my account. As you can see, total today I've earned £92.82, and that again, that is just from, I think I bought a telly online from Currys, and I shop obviously on eBay and Amazon, and I just come here and then I get cash back for doing so. And it's just a simple way to make money for doing something I'm already doing. So that is Top Cashback. And like I say, it's available in other countries, but it's just a different name. You've got eBay, it's iBotter, and there's many more. Feel free to go ahead and Google those ones. The next one I'm going to share with you is this one here. Now, I only found out about this about a week ago. In fact, I found out about it from this blog article here, because what happened was I went ahead and interviewed some of the UK money bloggers, and I asked for their tips and recommendation on apps to save money and make money. And one of the people who gave me this recommendation here was for this app here. It's called Kickstart. Now, how this works, it works very similar to Top Cashback and other cashback sites, but instead of earning cashback in the form of vouchers, on here what happens is you can sign this up for your child. So if you've got a child, you open up a savings account and you link it to Kid Smart, and then what happens is every time you shop with a retailer online like you normally would do, you go ahead and you earn cashback, and then that cashback is transferred to your child's saving account. So it's a great way to make a little bit of extra money for something you're already doing, and just go ahead and put that money into your child's saving account. Now look, you're not going to make lots and lots of money doing this, but you can see here, this was on the 18th of October, so this was about 5 days ago, and I earned 26p. Now again, it's not a lot of money, but it's 26p that I didn't have, and I was already going on Amazon to buy a product anyway, so all I did was simply, I went on the app and I just clicked on Amazon. It took me through to Amazon. I purchased the product, and then it tracked the purchase, and then it gave me my cash back. So this is a simple little way to start earning some extra money for your child. If you don't have a child and you're not interested in saving money up for a child, then absolutely use a site like Top Cashback here. So that is how you can make money via just online shopping and getting cash back. Now the next site I'm going to show you is this one here. So this one is called Receipt Hog. Now how this works, I'm on the iStore at the minute, I'm on iTunes at the minute, but this is available on Google Play. So all you do is you download the app, and then you go ahead and you shop at the normal places where you would do. They've got some examples on here. You can see they've got McDonald's, Tesco's, IKEA, Spar. Now, because I'm in the UK, these different shops here, these are all relevant to me. If you're in another country, these retailers on here will be relevant to yourself. Now all you do on here is, it's really simple. You download the app, and look, it's broken down to 3 steps. Shop at any retailer, big or small, snap a picture of your receipt, get paid. And then what happens is you get paid in coins, and then your coins obviously add up, and then once you've got so many coins, you can go ahead and cash them out for different PayPal vouchers and Amazon vouchers. You can see here, get paid with PayPal or Amazon gift cards. So it's simple. You're already shopping, you're going in shops. You can also go ahead and look at different places, like you can include your petrol or your fuel. So if you're filling up your car weekly, you can go ahead and do this. If you're going out and having a meal in a restaurant, you can have that on here. And there's just hundreds and hundreds of different shops and restaurants and bars, and just lots of different ways you can go ahead. And then once you've got your receipt, you simply take a photo, upload it to the app, you earn coins. Once you have so many coins, you go ahead and you cash them out for PayPal or Amazon gift cards. So everyone's doing it. You're getting a receipt anyway, so it will literally take you an extra minute to take a picture, upload it, and get yourself some coins. That there is, what was this one? This one is Receipt Hog. Now I was getting a bit distracted here, because you can see here at the top here, Kickstart, because I installed the Kickstart app. Every time, the Kickstart extension. Every time I'm shopping on the internet or looking at sites, if there's anywhere where I can collect some extra money, it will show on here. So this is, I just spoke about Kickstart here. This is where you can go ahead and save money for your child. Once you add the extension, it goes up here. Whenever you're on the internet, if there's any way you can earn some additional cash back, it will show up here for you. So let me just get rid of that and click on no thanks. So this is Receipt Hog. So I mean, everyone shops, don't they? So just get your receipt, upload it, earn some coins, and then over time you can go ahead and transfer that for PayPal or Amazon gift cards. Really simple, quick and easy. The next site we're going to look at is how you can earn some extra money via just simply walking. So this is called Sweatcoin. Now you can download this on the App Store, and you can download this on the Google Play. How it works, it's just a simple walk and earn, and I'll just highlight this for you here. So we track and verify your outdoor steps using our phones, accelerators and GPS location. Those steps get converted into currency. sweat coins, and then again you can go ahead, your sweat coins all add up, and then once you've earned so many coins, you can go ahead and you can shop with their online retailers. You can go ahead and transfer it for PayPal cash. There's many different ways you can go ahead and transfer your sweat coins on here for different products. So you can see on here they've got an iPhone 8, you've got PayPal cash, you've got some Vivo barefoot credits, a shop for buying some trainers, and then you've got something on here looks like a holiday potentially. So there's lots and lots of different options with this sweat coin. It's been featured in lots of different companies, and you can reach out to them on the usual social media platforms along the bottom here. But again, it's just a simple app, and you're already walking half the time. So you can go ahead and just get this app and then start earning some extra money from simply walking. So we've done shopping on the internet, we've done restaurants and bars and doing your weekly shop, we've looked at sweat coin, and I've got two more to share with you. So the next one I'm going to share with you is this site here. So this is called Swagbucks. Now in terms of Swagbucks, there's many options you can earn these bucks on here, and basically it's the same as sweat coin. You earn bucks and you can transfer them for points, which then once you've got your points, you then go ahead and earn Amazon gift cards. Now there's lots of ways you can earn bucks on here, but we're talking about doing things that we do every day. So on here, you see here it says web, search the web and earn. So this is a really simple way to earn some extra bucks. All you would simply do is whatever you would be searching for on the internet, you just search in here, and then you earn bucks for every single search that you do. Now this search engine here is connected to the search engine, it's not the Google, but you come on here, you type in what you're normally searching for, and then you click through and you earn points, you earn Swagbucks for every single search that you do on here. So basically you're searching on the internet, instead of going direct to Google, you would simply come to this website here, Swagbucks, type in what you're searching for, hit enter, and then you go and earn Swagbucks. Now again, you're not going to earn lots of money with this, but the points do add up over the year, and I'll show you a couple of my transactions on here. So you can see on here, so far I've had a £10 Amazon gift card, and I've also had a £5 Amazon gift card, and that's simply from going ahead and searching the web. Now when I first started, I did look at some of the something on the left hand side. I think it was videos, just watching YouTube videos. You go ahead and you earn points and Swagbucks for simply watching YouTube videos, but more recently all I use Swagbucks for at this moment in time is to go ahead and search the web. So everyone's searching on the internet, just come on here, sign up for a free account, search the web, earn points, and then transfer your points for, I mean, I've transferred it for Amazon gift cards, but there's lots and lots of different things that you can do on here. You've got PayPal, you've got Steam, you've got iTunes, there's hundreds honestly. And then the last one I want to share with you is this one here. Now this is called Carvertise, and again, because I'm in the UK, this is the carvertise.co.uk, but go ahead and type Carvertise into Google and it brings up all the different countries where this is available. Now how this works is if you have a car, you can go ahead and earn money by putting simple things on there. So you can see this here, this stick here. You can earn money from having a stick like this on your car. They also do full body car wraps, and they do logos, and there's all sorts of different ways you can earn money with this. But basically, you're driving your car, all you're doing is you're putting some material on here. It's called POS, so point of sale, or marketing material. Companies and advertisers will pay you to put this sort of stuff on your car, and you drive around and you get paid for doing so. It's free to get started with on here. Let me go over to here. This is the driver's page, so it shows you how much you can expect to earn. So as a driver, you can expect to earn a minimum of £80 per campaign, or up to £1,000 a month. Now here is the criteria for this website. Do you drive your own vehicle? Yes or no? Do you have zero driving convictions? Do you drive 300 miles a month? Is your vehicle less than 10 years old? Do you want money for driving? Interview over, you're hired. So that's the criteria. If you've got a car, it's less than 10 years old, you drive over 300 miles a month, and you don't have any convictions, then you're good to go with this website. It's really simple, it's really free, and if I scroll down to the bottom down here, all you would do is you would click on Be a Driver, and that's it. So that is some different ways how you can earn some extra money online from doing things you're already doing. We've covered walking, we've covered doing your car, we've looked at online shopping, we've looked at uploading your receipts, and we've also looked at surfing the internet. Everyone does one of these 5 things every single day. A lot of you may be watching this and you'll probably do 3 or 4 of these things every single day. Sign up to the website, download the apps, and just start earning some extra money with this. You're not going to make thousands. Well, you could potentially make thousands on some of the ones that I've shared with you, but realistically it's just going to be some nice extra pocket money coming in for doing things you're already doing. So that's enough for today's video. If you have any questions whatsoever, please go ahead and leave them below the video. Thanks for watching, and I shall see you in the next one.